I was involved with this lot up in Yorkshire in 1996 onwards. It ended up in the Supreme Court in 1999. Leading case before Lord Justice Sedley and Mr. Justice Collins took place at the Royal Courts of Justice, the Strand, London, on Thursday the 2nd of October 1997. 3 preachers arrested by the police to supposedly prevent a breach of the peace, recalling on the nation to repentance, etc., etc. But notice what it says here. If the threat of disorder or violence is coming from passers-by who were taking the opportunity to react to so as to cause trouble, then it was they and not the preachers who should be asked to desist and arrested if they would not. No one had to stop and listen. That's your Supreme Court, okay? So that's your legal position there. That is still, the police have tried, and all sorts of other people have tried to overthrow this. It's still the law. A preacher can be irritating, contentious, eccentric, heretical, unwelcome, and provocative, provided that his message does not tend to provoke violence. This is my comment in brackets. It is understood that the provocation to violence refers to a preacher provoking someone else to be violent to a third party, not someone coming up and hitting the preacher to get the preacher made a criminal. Some people would interpret the law that way, because they'd like to see us punched about, I think. So anyway, point is, Supreme Court supports you and freedom of speech, as does Parliament. 2 main acts of Parliament. Francis and I fought for 7 years to get, this is important, because if you end up in court, this will be vital. It's not just going in there and giving your testimony. In fact, the judge will silence you as soon as you start to say anything about Jesus. He will just bring the gavel down and he says, you're not here to give your message. You are here, and you'll say your name. You are here to explain whether you have threatened or done something terrible to anybody by saying what Jesus said.